Hello and welcome to this video on void state meditation. Meditation has many benefits, including reduced stress and improved focus and clarity of mind. In this video, we will be exploring a specific type of meditation called void state meditation, which is a form of meditation that involves letting go of all thoughts, emotions, and sensations in order to enter a state of pure consciousness. Before we dive into the practice of void state meditation, let's first understand what it is and how it differs from other forms of meditation. Void state meditation is a form of meditation that involves letting go of all mental and emotional content in order to enter a state of pure consciousness. It is also known as shunyata in Buddhism, which means emptiness or voidness. This type of meditation is different from other forms of meditation, such as mindfulness meditation, in which the goal is to focus on the present moment and accept thoughts and emotions as they arise. In void state meditation, the goal is to completely let go of all thoughts and emotions in order to enter a state of pure consciousness. Now, let's try to enter the void state. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit or lie down. Make sure you won't be disturbed for the duration of the meditation. You may want to consider using a meditation cushion or mat to make yourself more comfortable. Begin by taking a few deep breaths to relax your body and mind. As you inhale, focus on the sensation of the air entering your body. As you exhale, focus on the sensation of the air leaving your body. Take a few more slow, deep breaths, focusing on your breath and letting go of any distracting thoughts or emotions. Once you have settled into a comfortable, relaxed state, begin to focus on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. As you focus on your breath, let go of all other thoughts and emotions. Don't try to push them away, but simply allow them to dissipate on their own. As you continue to focus on your breath and let go of all mental and emotional content, you may find that your mind becomes quieter and more peaceful. This is a sign that you are entering the void state. In the void state, you may experience a sense of peace and stillness. You may also find that your perception of time shifts, and it may feel as though time is either moving very slowly or not moving at all. Stay in the void state for as long as you like, continuing to focus on your breath and letting go of any thoughts or emotions that arise. When you are ready to end the meditation, slowly open your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Take a moment to sit in silence and savor the feeling of peace and stillness before slowly transitioning back to your daily activities. Void state meditation can be a challenging practice, but with time and regular practice, you may find that it becomes easier to enter this state of pure consciousness. Thank you for watching this video on void state meditation. I hope you found it helpful and that you will give this type of meditation a try. Remember, the most important thing is to be patient with yourself and to keep practicing.